give the viewer. You want to melt the face, not the balls.
Got that ball melt style.
Oh shit! Did you see that?
Oh yeah. Shit.
Ooh.
My balls just melted. A bunch of liquids came out too.
Woo shit! Corbin, what have you been smoking?
Crack. Green. Green Chicos.
Smoking the tree.
Engaged Chicos.
Hey, face, not balls. There's a face to ball ratio.
Hell
Have
yeah.
enough lights, Trinity? Huh? Have enough lights yet?
Yeah.
Oh, fail.
That's why we don't have nice things. This is why we can't have nice things, guys. You break shit.
Oh shit!
Woo!
Oh my god!
Turns to shit.
Yeah, fucking don't touch my Han. No, I'm just kidding.
I already drove it today. You better hope nothing's wrong with it.
Yeah, fucking cracked radiator.
Oh my
God, I can't.
Where the fuck did this come from, Corbin?
Right? Got finger rolls, fucking tunnels. Don't worry about it.
big ass bowl.
Hell yeah.
I want one too.
It's fucking right.
That's a little light.
Yeah.
Pass it over the.
That the
anyone
S4
over here?
really turned to 21. Oh yeah? Fuck yeah. Wait, you're good?
I don't. Yeah, I don't smoke.
Is there a test or?
No, I just this is my thing.
Well, you know,
Me and Tiara are going to Vegas.
for EDC?
No, just to see Armin. Not this weekend, but next weekend.
Oh hell yeah.
Yeah, on the 2nd. Oh, I know I'm trying to get that marquee.
The marquee. You have to tell me how it is. I'll go there eventually once I'm 21.
Wait, you're not 21?
I
He
will
turns
be.
21 in October.
Oh, October, November. We both are 21. Trent up top.
We'll go to the bar and get a drink.
Let's go!
I like to do
Hey Ashley, would you? Oh, I'm sorry.
We'll go to Wendover.
I'm kidding.
I've been working out. You better beware. I'm gonna kick your ass.
Alright, I'm sorry.
I'll turn 20 in October.
I'll turn 20 in
I'll
November.
still, me and Trent will still buy you alcohols.
All the alcohol.
These two are turning 21. We're turning 20.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
20, jeez, you old fart.
It's like a hookah place.
Jose, you're old.
Dude, you should
And?
I'll get one of these
And
things.
you're old.
That's my place.
Wait, Ogden, that's fucking.
How old are you, Jose?
20.
But I do have.
He'll be 21 in November.
I'm 23.
Lucky.
He's old. You're not old. He's old just because he's old.
Ooh, this is my song.
I work so much, man. It's hard to fucking find time for anything.
Jose, did I tell you yesterday that I'm a Keebler elf now?
When?
I work 12
My
hours.
supervisor said I'm a Keebler
I work
elf.
12 hours yesterday.
I made cookies in a
12 hours
tree.
a day.
I love cookies. I'm ass hitting the
Sell
side.
Hondas.
Oh, and Murray?
It's in Sandy.
The Sandy one?
Yep.
My friend works at the one in Murray.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
He doesn't sell. He
Shit.
he works in the parts department.
I wish I had half this variety when I started. The hell?
Yeah, selling takes a little. You have to have a certain.
Don't mind
Ooh.
if I do.
For it to sell.
Woo.
Sorry, yeah.
Oh my god.
Be
Yeah.
a people person.
Yeah, I'm a very, very people person. I sold a car today.
Who is this going to?
Whoever wants to hit.
Marco.
Polo.
Ah, I knew it too. Like I just
Up
know,
and
I have that fucking feeling. When one of my lights turns itself on.
Who wants it next?
This guy.
Not the guy that doesn't smoke.
Let's just go back. This is what happens when I stand up.
Best way to get Elijah is when we're smoking at the same time.
I got you. You're busy? I'll hook you up.
He already got some.
Already got some.
Want some more?
Nope. Nope. Alright. I need to smoke a cigarette, so. Try not to bump, man. And I did see a glove.
That's a lighter.
I do. Sorry, Eric, is that mine? Let's go. Eric.
Woo!
Eric, you got my lighter? Okay. I'm just trying not to kick anyone. Huh?
I guess you're starting 420 early.
Why not? It's my late birthday party because I was in Colorado for my birthday.
I thought you were done.